ubu namutuka mbega urutwe runini. Yes, I'll see her. Ivuga ngo
She reading English.
Hey, chakoze mandira umuntu. Ahagaha ubu ngubu rero njye nitwa Jeanne.
Yego Jeanne nyine tugufashe.
Bari babwiye ngo hano ngo hari akazi ngiye kuba umukozi wa kabiri. Ariko mana abantu barubaka. Urare ko mbwise kuri twe tugiye wacu mu cyaro. Sinzi ukuntu hameze. Imeze ko nta muntu ngabo. Nyine namwumvishe ngo hari umunyamahanga ukeneye umukozi wo mu rugo. Rero ngo yavuganye n'undi mugabo ugikunda kutwohereza motozi.
Ase ubwo urarebye usanga boss wanjye yakwemeye. Reba uko banza wirebe. Urarebye usanga boss wanjye yakwemeye.
Aho kuvuga icyongereza ndanakizi no babanyohereje hano.
Reba ukuntu wambaye amajipo acitse. Boss wanjye bashaka umukozi uri smart,
nkawe
usa neza, utari igikara.
Urumva igikara cyane se? Ako se mva mubwiye.
Ese ninde wakurangiye hano?
Nyine bambwiye ngo babamaye agapapuro kariho aderesi.
N'ibitambaro mu mutwe.
Twata tuba inshuti. None ukunye bandi umwana mwiza. Bano no tuvugana amabanga najya mu mabanga y'iwacu. Byiza. Noneho wajunaniza n'iyi ngiyi. Ariko ushaka ufite ikibuno kinini. Uteye neza. Nurutene mu majyaruguru. Nako mu majyepfo.
Ese warebye ipangu byo yaga ngo bagwa aderesi.
Yeba ama aderesi mu muguru ukunda gutanga abakozi. Rero amwe ngo ahantu haha. Ngo rye ngo jasi wize icyongereza. Ndavuga ngo iyi narakizemo gake. Atavuga ngo hari umugabo wo mu Nigeria ushaka umukozi.
Shaba kubeshyira
fasana. Ariko cyakoze abantu barubaka. Uri iwacu.
Wize amashuri angahe?
Atandatu yisumbuye ndararangije. Nuko ibintu byananiye. Mu cyaro natwe turiga cyane ahandi ebana ahubwo mfasha rwose. Ngiye mbiki. Ese ntabwo mwanyizeye ko ndi umukozi. Witwa nde se wowe? Inshuti shauri mwiza. None se boss nakajya gutereta. Ni hano nakoraga. Uriya boss ajya gakunda kundirita shaho. Ngiye najya kugateka
ariko amagambo ufite utaranatangira bataranakwemerera. Byibaze. Unse wese ngo umukozi. Nise wakoraga wavuye bakwirukanye.
Bora ntabwo banyirukanye. Barambwiye ngo bagiye kujya mu mahanga. Nanjye ndavuga ati it's okay. Mugende nzabona kandi kazi. Usujya ngo baba banyanya kazi handi nakabura. Reka twike twarihaye. Mama tambwiye. Bura twige abana biwacu koko twese turabakozi. Iyo bakwirukanye cyangwa ngo bagiye mu mahanga cyangwa ngo wenda baba baguhaza.
Boss wanjye rero ntabwo akunda bavuga cyane. Ntabwo akunda abakozi bavugira hejuru. Ntabwo akunda abakozi basa nkawe. Urumva? Ntabwo akunda abakozi.
Ariko nzi gukoropa. Nzi guteka. Nzi koza byombo. Ntabwo mu bwinshi ngira ndi mu bantu babika amabanga. Y'urugo hahandi mushaka twanabura ese muryo we
cyane nuko n'igikara kandi boss ani ntabwo yabukunda
ariko munoze asiboza amaguse abasi mbona basi mubone ariko shakoza abantu babaho dori inzu we nitwa Jeanne ege inzu nziza
ngwino nyine ubivuga uhagaze hano boss wanyaze muvuganira cyangwa hagarara hano nta kibazo ako nuhagarara aho nakubuye
simbona so ugeze aha ntabwo kukubuye n'icyo zona nabishoboye
reka rero nguhe gasopo boss wanyaramutse nakwemeye tukabana ukajya uvugira hejuru gutyo uri kuvuga cyane nabanza kuvugira no gushaka sipagoro nkapfukaho ku munwa w'akantu gatoya ukagisigara naho akantu gato kugira uko kuzagira uvugisha
nta kibazo basi n'umugare muri ko basi amakazi humura ese wowe witware ko utanyibwiye ako mana cyakoze mana urarema buri mana irarema ibaze ukuntu yagufasha ese gukira umukozi wo mu rugo
utari umukozi ni ukuri ko Imana aravuga pe nawe ntabwo ukunze rero kuravuga
komeza ubundi mu byiza
uvuga nyine utuje
mana urarema ufata umukobwa umugire mwiza kurya genda ungire mugufi umigikara nuke n'igikara mbe mu cyaro abandi baradobaza gukora mu bazungu
tunabonye bose nyakakwemera igikara cyo nagushakira umuti
uzashakira umuti akuri mwiza pe Imana nuko Imana yakureye mwiza itarushye yakureye maze yari kwitondeye pe dore kibuno Yesu we Muso ntabwo yakireba nitwa Jeanne
ibagara noje maje gukora mu ngo zingahe za Kigali
dore hari nabanje gukora bwa mbere hari umugabo witwa Claude hamwe n'umugabo witwa Gasperasia n'abakorera gashaka bafite baba mu kigo kimwe na Sarashaw yo acuruza agataro bakajya babikora mbumva none aha kabiri nakoze muri hoteli y'inyenyeri 5 hari ikibazo bagize nuko najyaga nteka ibyo ngashyiraho umunyu mwinshi baranyirukana ahandi nakoreye umuhinde uwo muhinde akajya ashaka kumfata ku ngufu aha bamufite amabere manini ngo meza ese abantu meza we aho na gatatu aha kane
kuvuga amagambo ijana yose kandi nakubwiye uvuga amagambo make uvuga buri rugo wagiye ukoramo n'impamvu bakwiruka
yego aho nakuye rero kwa seperasiya impamvu banyikanye bafashe nyine ndi kubumviriza bari kwica imbeba aha kabiri rero nakubwiraga muri hoteli izi nyenyeri 5 ho nashyize umunyu mwinshi mu biryo nabizi
muri hoteli wowe usa gutyo bakora muri hoteli
nyine njya akazi nari mfite kandi supervisinga abantu nyine mfasha abantu n'ibintu none abana atacyongereza ninjye basemuriraga narasemuraga I speak English cyane hamagara boss wawe uriko nyine nakwiyereka cyangwa nuko uri kubona hotel inshiritse cyongereza ndakizi nuko ukunda kizi nukuri
nakoze ubwiza cyongereza
twabana I love you sinzi kubivuga
I love you
nawe kizi what is your name najya basizana boss wanyu twivuganira yese ko byose mbizi ariko mana Speransia we yacuzaga gataro cyane twaryaga ibaze ko Speransia yajyaga ansiga abakagura amakara ya desa none tukagura ngo akabura ngo amakaranga mari 10 we hataharo wahaba none uzi ko
umaje kuvuga ahantu hangahe
nyine kwa Speransia no ahantu hanunguye ibaze ko none uje gura inyanya z'ijana akabona ikice cy'urunyanya afite n'umwana kugura pampa tukayikatamo kabiri pampa gaze none
kugira ngo ukivuka bagukuvata mu kuvuga
kandi mbike banga nawe nyamvamba mu menshi bari nawe uri kutuma mvuga rero aba bazima akazi yo ko navuga ndata nceceka basizana boss aho twivugana
akira abanza umuburira hano hantu ngo ndi wabukoze neza
bari rero twakubura twatuzi no gukubura bonetse gukubura ibyo biroroshye cyane sibahera hano bagira umubazo n'iburyo ibi ngibi ahubwo bari bambwiye ngo nimagera ngo tujya kuhamagara boss wawe twivugana rero tunegose iby'akazi noneho ubu namufashe mu myeke naho kurara mumbwiye n'ibyo nshinzwe gukora
ayihe ka
Jeanne nitwa Uwingeneye Jeanne
ufite irangamuntu
irangamuntu ndayifite
nizere kutagira umwanda Jeanne
nta mwanda agira nambaye n'ikariso
wabyo ukuntu nzi urabona ko nsa neza nambaye agapira keza k'umweru kandi ndi mu kazi yo gukubura
yego ndabibona
cyane ndeba imyenda yawe ko niba ntuzi ko nta mwenda w'umweru urimo hano urahita usohoka ntawubonye
maze mfite n'amakariso 2 imyenda yimese maze koga nkayanika indi nkayigumamo noneho najya mu kwezi kwa buki
wasanga ufite n'ibyayi
ibyayi byo bifite nyine ya Kotex zashize ndabikoresha amamagara boss
kudafata simu kubura
yego nta kibazo
kubura neza
yego
rwose dukure
genda nyine nzanire boss
kandi nsanga arangije gukubura
yego ariko ubu rero kanyifatiye ngo nsanga wanje barimo vuga ko hano abakozi babiri iyo mmenye ko ari umukozi ndi umukozi wa kabiri ntabwo nari kuza cyakoze ndabeshya ariko ikibazo nuko nukansuzuguesha wongeye nukigika ubu ndanuka we kandi nose koza gake ko wenda hano ntabwo nahoze nibagiwe aho ukafate kakansuzugure nta soni kuna akamenyero n'akanyozo nza turi gukubura yego nta kibazo nakumuye neza
no kandi amagambo make ya Jane we
muraho neza how are you I'm fine.
This is the new house name.
What's your name?
My name is Jane.
Oh, wow, that's good. Where did she come from again?
Bigavuze ko turuka.
Navuye nyine n'umuntu wamamagaye ukora muri company y'umubwire.
Okay, yeah, this is the girl we asked for from the company for the maids.
Yes.
Okay, good to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
So, what can you do? Which other places have you worked before?
Icyo ushaka gukora.
Do you know how to work with children?
Ngaho mubwirira akazi ushoboye.
It depends, sir. It depends on the work that is around or is there. I can do everything. Washing plates, ironing the clothes, cooking, mopping, washing. I can raise children. I can take care of the children. I can take care of you. I can take care of your wife.
No, don't take care of me.
Okay.
I have a wife already. So you can take care of kids.
Yes, kids.
Alright, so she will help you with taking care of the kids. She will help you with the house cleaning, washing. Okay, that's good. That's nice. That's what we need. How much do you charge?
Ibihumbi 500 rwose n'inkorera rwose n'umwe utafite mu byihorere.
What did she say?
500k.
500k for what?
For doing umunyamahanga se.
Hanyuma se 500 waba uri gukora iki?
Ese si umunyamahanga ko ntumbwiye kuri kwa amafaranga make.
That's big wahala. 500k?
Yes, 500k.
Boss, 500k is too much.
That is too much.
So, what should we do? Let her give me 500k. It's small now.
No.
I can do everything. Louise.
Okay.
Yes, 500k.
No.
The previous people we used before, we give them 40, we give them 50k.
40?
Yeah.
40 go hard and hangahera.
It's not hard work. You just clean,
Yes. Kid. I know how to take care of them.
You know how to take care of them.
I can pamper them. No, I can't allow children to cry. Never in my life.
No problem.
Ask this is my friend. She refused to tell me her name.
Not your friend.
Okay. Ask my colleague to tell me her name so that I can be calling her.
Her name is Ruiz. Okay? Her name is Ruiz. You say your name is Jan. Ruiz, this is Jan. She'll be helping you at home for washing and everything, but we can't pay you 500.
Tell her to negotiate with you. Tell
her the amount we pay the maids normally.
Aravuze ngo aya mafaranga ni menshi. Vuga amafaranga bazajya bagomba cyangwa se icyo nkujugunya hanze gipanga.
Binaga byo muri kujugunya abantu hanze se.
Nise ko muri hanze.
Unamutuka mbega urutwe runini.
Kandi reka nkubwire harya yitwa Ndejane.
I think I like her already.
Aravuze ngo I like her. Aravuze ngo
I like her energy.
You like my energy.
I like her energy.
Are beating me.
Reka nkubwire. Boss. This need is.
What's the problem? Say your mind.
Yitarago kize wemera Louise we. Niba bazo tuba inshuti ko ntacyo uzabona yamwigi.
Reka nkubwire nuko ndi kwitwareka nk'akana ke.
Nyine vugisha Louise.
Icyongereza ntabwo nisigiye cyane. Cyakoze we nakuganira kuri boss. Nuko waguma n'undi tukajya. Ngaho imubwire rero.
What is the conclusion now?
Do
you like her?
Boss. This need the let's test. Let's test.
Yes, I'll see her. She reading
English.
Wait, no problem.
Yes.
Do you understand what she's saying?
No.
She's saying that we should test you.
You should test me. Ariko rero nawe iyo uravuganiye uri umwana mwiza cyane. None amafaranga make basi
impamvu nguvuganiye amafaranga nayo ndagutoranyiriza impamvu nguvuganiye no kugira ngo nyine utabura akazi hano hanze ibintu bitongo byose bitoranye bose bafite abakozi urukumva kano gace nako urukumva kano gace kose nyine bafite abakozi impamvu nguvuganiye kugira ngo uze inyigisho cyongereza
nawe ukizi neza ntuzajye kunyemera rero ubwo nyara avara kujya
aho ngaho cyangwa musubire
ariko kubaza cyangwa ibyo mvuze
nothing.
Okay, so we're going to test you.
Thank you, sir. My problem is one thing. We have not concluded the money you are going to be paying me per month. Monthly salary. Sir, she's saying that if I want to speak English, I should be speaking it slowly, so that she can learn from me.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I can see.
You know me, I can speak English very well. You know me. I can speak it.
I want to say.
Yeah, that's what. Yes, sir.
It's good you speak English so that you can get better.
Yes, ndikumubwira yuko ntajya mvuga icyongereza gake gake kugira ngo wige.
Ibyo nabyumvise.
None rero mutekereze ko fa mujye kumuwe na boss wawe w'urutwe runini. Ariko nzi ko atabyumva twamutuka. Ariko kwaza ncoga niki. Gutukana bavuga ngo no uvuze kujya kubera ko nginde kumutuka ko kwa
yavuze ngo agukunze.
Oya nyine avuze ngo he likes me as my boss. So we're talking about the salary. Amafaranga azaza yanyishura yamubwire. We takuvuga ayo ushaka ko bamana kibazo ndayafata.
15 kuvuga mu cyongereza ngo
15k.
Boss. This minute uzajya umuhemba 50k.
No, never. Naho nayemera 15k.
Urasohoka.
Uyu mujyi gatanu kumugora
kugeza imana aka kanya ufite amafaranga angahe?
Ariko njye narangeze nko ku 15.
Nyine kano kanya ufite angahe?
Basi byibuze mubwiye 50, byibuze 50 ko uri umunyamaguru.
50
kandi nzaba no kwigisha icyongereza.
Aha ngaho uzajya ukora uri kumva ukabyitira ku cyayi cya Buriba, ukabyitira ku
cyayi bose you Burubandi.
Ukabyitira kuri mayonnaise. Ibyo byose
mayonnaise, you eat mayonnaise.
Uza amafaranga bibombera.
You don't worry about that.
Boss, can I talk on my behalf?
Okay, 25k. Ubwo nzajya nkora bitanu kuko nagusabiye akazi.
Yaburetse gaturagura kansabye ko ngiye bamamagaye ni company yanyorereje hano.
Tugiye kunyigiraho wadanje. Umenye ko ari byo bagufungura igipangu.
Boss, I want to ask, who is going to be reading each other? Is she my boss? Like she don't want to be showing me everything, or we are going to be
What do you mean by she's your boss? Yes,
yes.
She'll take care of you.
Yes. I'm your two boss.
Yes.
This is our big boss.
Okay, you are the two boss. Okay. Ugo two boss wese kuvuga iki?
She'll take care of you. Don't worry. Okay.
Boss uri hasi.
Okay.
So you don't worry. She's
Yes.
going to take care of you.
Yes,
all right?
sir. Yes, sir.
You eat here, we'll take care of you. Just do your work. You get paid.
I have a question.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
You
sir.
don't need to go down.
Okay.
Stand up, stand up.
She's the one that told me I should kneel down.
No.
Okay, sir.
That is it.
So, no, don't worry, please. I think, what do you think we should pay her?
The rest. Basi mo 30 mu byabe 30 kugira ngo basi ufate 5 25 abayana. No, 30k.
Kwirukana.
It's okay, 25 I'll correct it.
25k.
We'll do this. Okay.
That is last.
For the testing month, we'll pay you 25k.
Yes, sir.
After the testing month will be 3 months.
Yes.
Okay?
3
months. So maybe after the 3 months,
yes, sir.
we're going to increase the salary.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So
sir, I want to know the children.
yeah.
I love Nigerian so much. Nigerian.
Ugango Igwe.
Hey!
You don't worry, that's good, okay?
Yes, sir.
After the first 3 months,
sir, she's saying that whenever you're coming from work, anytime I should be doing Igwe.
Don't do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
No, you don't need to
Hey!
So, Jean,
Karame,
you begin your work tomorrow.
I want to ask the last question. Mufite abana bangahe hano?
5.
Hey! You have 5 children?
Yeah, we have 5 kids.
Never. I can't do it again. Never in this life, even the next life, I can never raise it 5 children. For which reason? With 25k that salary you're going to be paying me.
nakubwiye ngo
Don't
vuga
worry. Louis
hagarara
will help
hagarara
you.
hano
Okay?
Even if she's paying me, sir,
She will help
5 children is too much.
She will help you. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay, we should be raising at least 3 children.
You guys are going to work. Louis,
I'm not your help, yo.
Louis, you're going to work together. Okay? It's not only you that will raise the 5 kids. She'll help you.
Uzajya abantu mufite abana batanu sinjye uzajya abangahe byibuze se ngo mumenye basinye mujye mu batatu babiri mbajere
Ubabitse kubera iki?
uzumva ngira ashaka kureba abana
Amaze
batanu
imyaka 3 muri uru rugo.
kuri mvuze imbere abana batanu cyane
Nese uje gukora iki?
nje mu kazi
None se
ariko
ko baguha akazi.
I thought you have 2 children.
Waroza akazi baguheza akazi. But me, I have 2 children because kuvuga ngo umurambi bakazi neza.
I'm experienced. I've really experienced it. Yes. I have experience. I have experience.
I have experience for this job.
Yes.
So I have 2 kids.
Yes. She said she will be raising 2 children. What about you?
Ndani kumva ndagukubita
Ntabwo kuvuga nyindi ko muri nabonye kuzayahukira
Don't worry.
Yes.
You guys will do the work together. Maybe you want to raising 2 children. But you guys will work together.
Avuze ngo iki mubyumvishe.
You guys will work together. Don't worry.
Nakubwiye ikintu mwazanye muri urugo nuko uzajya unsemurira buri kantu kose.
Nese ngo bose mu marenga. Mu marenga mu rugo rurimi rusanzwe.
Yarasiko ndikira.
Boss, I know how to dance.
No.
I can be dancing your children like this.
Nakubwiye nkiyubaha imbere ya boss.
Okay, you have the job now.
Yes, sir.
Just work. Make sure.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you do everything at least tells you.
Yes,
if you don't do what she tells you, you lose the job.
No.
She's your boss, okay? So do everything she tells you to do.
You go boss.
Alright?
Umenye ko ushaka kujya kukaza kaza asanga wagiye.
Yes, sir.
Kandi ntabwo naburi ibintu
mugira kontara. Mubwiye ngo asansinyishe kontara.
Oya ntabyo amakontra.
Contract?
Yes, sir.
No, boss.
We'll do that for you.
Yes.
After the 3 months, you get your contract.
Thank you,
Alright?
sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good.
My name is Jenny, sir.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Tell salute.
Muteri salute. She told me I should salute you.
No.
Yes.
You don't need to do that.
Boss, you're going.
Yeah.
What are you going to eat today? Food? Yes, I am hungry.
You work first now before you start talking about food.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Alright, bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Ngo thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Ngo Igwe. Gafata umukuzo kubona vuba vuba.
Narangije.
Ndagukubitira hano. Aho utabona nambaye ijipo. Vuga ngo urakoze. Kwanza twari none. Put there.
Where?
Inside.
Okay. Ubu turi gutangira akazi tubana. Yego. Nganije igikapu cyanjye se bazi.
Wizere ko ese nta bintu byo kurya wazanyemo. Ntabwo iwanyu muhinga se?
Ntabwo duhinga.
Wowe kise mudahinga.
Turahinga ariko ntabwo byari bye.
Urashaka kunyemera ngo iwanyu mu cyaro nyine ngo mu mujyi.
Mu mujyi cyane.
Tugende kukwereka ibintu uteka.
Zara nyitwaza.
Oya twari intebe.
Ode mu jorofu urahise.
Tugende
jorofu y'aba Nigeria.
Ntabwo mbizi.
Murya okoro
okara. Iby'iwabo aragenda akabyitekera.
Umugore wenyine.
Kandi ugomba kunyitwarikaho neza.
Yego.
Urimo uramvugisha amagambo menshi.
I've gotten a job. Oh, thank you God.
Nakubwiye ceceka. Umukobwa muzima utiyubaha. Gusa wagiye kubyinira boss n'ibyo bijipo bicitse.